In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store check your connection error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to disable your third-party software. So if you have a third-party software or security or antivirus running in your PC, I want you to disable it. Or as much as possible, I want you to uninstall that one because that is one of the main reason why you face an error. Once you do it, try to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then move on to the second solution, and that is to check your network. So check your network if it's stable or not, okay? And if you have seen here no internet connection, then try to connect to another network and then try to check if the error has been fixed. Make sure that you are connected, okay? And check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then I want you to reset your Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. And here in this small window, type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. So complete this procedure and wait until this would be done. And once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed, okay? And if not, then let's move on to the last solution. But before that, I want you to copy this command and then paste it here at the notepad. Once done, navigate to the button search bar, type for PowerShell. Then I want you to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. So click on it, then paste the command that you have copied. Okay? Control C to copy, then Control V to paste or make a right click, in that way you'd be able to paste that one. Click on the entertainer keyboard and you'll be able to start the procedure. Wait until it would be done, and once you are done, restart the PC and your problem will be fixed. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.